Good evening, welcome back to Smart Investment long video. Every car, bike, bus, truck in India runs on a tire. But behind those black round wheels lies a multi-billion-dollar industry. So in this video, we are going to break down how this company compared to 2025, their history, business strength, financial, and what future looks like. By the end, you will know who looks stronger as a company and as an investment. First, the base is JK Tyre. JK Tyre and Industry is the flagship company of the JK Group led by Dr. R.P. Singhania. They are the pioneers of the radial technology in India and rank among top 25 tires company globally. With 40 plus years in the business, they are especially dominant in the truck and buses radial segment. SEAT. On the other hand, we have SEAT, founded back in 1924 and a part of RPG Group. They are covering everything: car, bus, three-wheeler, scooter, bike and what not. SEAT also invests heavily in the new technologies like smart tires and the EV tires. And you have probably seen them in the cricket sponsoring IPL teams and the stars like Rohit Sharma and the Shubman Gill. Now let's compare their scale. JK Tyre operates 11 plants, 8 in India and 3 in Mexico, with a capacity to produce 35 million of tires within a year. They offer over 800 SKUs and works with OEM clients like Maruti, Hyundai, Kia, Tata, Bajaj and Hero. SEAT has 6 plants in India plus 3 smart facilities produce 3.5 crore tires annually. But here their real age distribution. They have 300 distributors, 4,500 dealers and 51,000 plus sub-dealers across 600 districts. They also run 400 plus exclusive SEAT outlets. When it comes to global presence, JK Tyre operates 100 plus countries with a strong network in Mexico, Africa, America and Middle East. SEAT is present in 100 plus countries, dominates Sri Lanka with 50% market share and has recently entered USA passenger and commercial type of market. So globally, SEAT edge ahead in diversification and in new market. Let's look at the number. Market cap SEAT rupees 11,925 crore versus JK Tyre 9,412 crore. Sales, JK Tyre is bigger with 14,647 crore versus SEAT's 12,789 crore. Profit, JK Tyre rupees 764 crore versus SEAT 508 crore. ROCE, SEAT a strong 20.4%, JK Tyre negative at 1.73%. Debt, JK Tyre has a higher debt to equity ratio of 1.11 compared to SEAT's 0.50. SEAT trades at a PE of 23.5, JK Tyre at 12.3, making JK Tyre looks cheaper. In short, JK Tyre generates sales and profit, but SEAT runs a tighter, more efficient ship with less debt and stronger returns. Looking at the latest result, JK Tyre Q2 financial year 25 revenue was 3,643 crore, but that's a 7% decline year on year. Profit also fell 42%. SEAT Q3 financial year 25 revenue was 3,300 crore, up 11% year on year. But profit also dropped 43%. So both companies are facing margin pressure, though SEAT managed to grow revenue while JK Tyre saw a decline. The bigger picture is promising. The Indian tire industry is expected to more than double by financial year 32, reaching $22 billion with a CAGR of about 5%. Growth will come from rising vehicle ownership, infrastructure push and the EV boom. So while both the company faces short-term challenges, the long-term runaway is strong. So who wins this clash? JK Tyre is sales leader, stronger in bus and the truck radials, and the stocks look more reasonable priced. SEAT is financially healthier with better return, lower debt and stronger global expansion. If you are looking for value and sale, JK Tyres look interesting. If you want stability and efficiency, SEAT will feel you safer. You probably have one of them on your vehicles without realizing it. So there you have it, JK Tyre versus SEAT. Two tire giants driving India's road and market 2025. Which one would you bet on for your portfolio and for your car? Drop your thoughts in the comment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more company breakdowns. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.